Welcome back to the Let's Get It Clean channel. In our last video, we talked about how to easily dust the ceiling fan for weekly maintenance. If you missed it, you can go ahead and check it out by clicking the link in the description box below. But what if dusting is just not enough? Or, let's be real, maybe you've never even cleaned your ceiling fan, or it's been so long that it's now coated in a thick, sticky layer of dust and grime. Then, it's time for a deep clean. Not only will it make your fan look brand new, but a clean fan is essential in preventing the spread of dirt and dust in the air, promoting good circulation, and helps keep your fan stay balanced and running smoothly. So today, we're going to show you how to deep clean your ceiling fan from top to bottom using non-toxic, eco-friendly Castile soap and water. Now, let's get it clean. The first step is to prepare everything we need to clean our ceiling fan. We will need a pair of cleaning gloves, microfiber cloths, Castile soap, a bucket for soapy and clean water, and a step ladder. And I recommend using a ladder with the tool platform so you have a safe spot to hold your bucket while you work. Now that we have everything we need, let's begin. Start by turning off your ceiling fan. Then, position your stepladder safely underneath the fan, ensuring you can reach it comfortably. Next, dust off your ceiling fan to remove any visible or surface level debris. And remember, you can watch our previous video on how to quick dust and do a detailed dusting with the link below. After dusting, remove the light bulbs and light globes and set them aside to wash. Now, let's clean our ceiling fan. Grab a microfiber cloth and a bucket of soapy water. Dip your microfiber cloth in your soapy water and wring it out so that it's damp but not dripping wet. Starting from the top and working your way down, wipe the canopy, down rod, and the entire motor housing unit. Then, wipe the top and side of the blade arms. Wipe the entire blade and blade arm. Repeat with each blade. Lastly, wipe the body of the light fixture, the outside of each light globe holder, and the pull chains. And now, it's time to rinse. Dip a clean microfiber cloth in a bucket of clean water and wring it out so it is damp but not dripping wet. Rinse your ceiling fan in the same order we cleaned it, going from the top to the bottom. Finally, it's time to dry. You can either wipe the ceiling fan with a microfiber cloth or allow it to air dry. While our ceiling fan is air drying, let's move on to washing our light globes. You can either choose to wash them in the sink or use a bucket, whichever works best for you. Use Castile soap and a microfiber cloth to wash the inside and outside of each light globe. Then, rinse your light globes. Next, dry them with a microfiber cloth. Once dry, screw the light globes and bulbs back into the ceiling fan. And just like that, your ceiling fan is fresh and clean. But before you're completely done, a quick tip to make sure that your ceiling fan is working for you and not against you is to use the direction control switch located on the motor housing unit to change the direction that the fan blades spin. In winter, set the blades to turn clockwise to redistribute warm air and warm the room. In summer, switch the blades to turn counterclockwise to push the cool air down and cool off the room. And now, your fan is officially as good as new. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this one. You can also visit the description box below for our other tutorials. And remember, cleaning is a family affair. See you next time and let's get it clean!